Don't mind me.
I'll ignore you.
Do you mind if I look at the
You want us? No.
So many choices.
I know, it's true. It's really interesting just looking at.
I've never seen so many
disembodied
photographs
history.
in so many places. You know, so many things in one place.
And there's some wine.
Show of cooperation.
Started doing this.
I got started because I took a class with Eliza Cooney on Collage, and I loved it so much. And I am a vintage photo dealer, so I have tons of extra photos that are worth nothing.
Was that the same collage class that we took together?
Yes,
that
it
the
is.
Okay.
Yeah. I took a couple with her, maybe 2 or 3. So I started using the photos I had at home and invited some friends over, and it's grown into this whole. It's a lot of fun, and
Now you said you do these on what Friday nights? You get together and do this?
it's different nights, about 2 nights a month that me and the gals get together. But this is a big class. And I did a workshop in Philadelphia a couple of months ago too.
Neat.
And I'm doing another one in Philadelphia next week.
Where do you do it in Philly?
It's at the Janus Gallery on Pine Street.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love that area of Philadelphia.
Yeah,
It's
it's
so
very nice.
dense and just very cool.
But it's very funny. I don't know if you noticed, like, I told people where the photos were. It got as quiet as a church in here. As everybody was going for the photos. It's kind
I
of
hear
a
you.
mesmerizing thing.
It does really concentrate the mind. It really frees your mind to just think about things. Yeah. Art as therapy. But it's so much more than that. I've always thought of collage as that's how we live. Life is a collage.
It is.
Writing is a collage. Everything is a collage. So when you're doing collage, it's kind of what you do on a daily basis.
Right.
And just putting things together and seeing what happens. Chance is the key. Yeah.
That's it. It's a lot of fun.
Who knows what's going to happen? Well, let's go see.
Okay.
Have you done collage before?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
Not anything official, just kind of for fun.
I'm going to film for a little while, and then I'm going to collage for a little while.
Oh, that sounds really fun.
I don't know if you overheard, I'm trying to do a music video based on collage.
A music video based on collage.
Yeah, sort of like from chaos, you get more chaos. No, from chaos, you get art.
Have you signed releases?
They're like 4-hour blocks. Trash, yes, there's always. Yeah, there was a lot of, there were a lot of things on there.
I am not. Just to get your inspiration.
I'd like to do the table,
Go from there.
the welcoming.
Stacy, where did you get all of these photos anyway?
Well, like I said, I'm a vintage photo dealer, so I'm always buying photos. And there's always
Young people on the surf.
that I don't want.
Oh, are they? Oh, they're good, aren't they?
Boxes of boxes at home. So this is sort of like an upcycle.
Where do you find most of your photos? Auctions must be really good.
Pickers
They did it, didn't
They
they?
did.
all over the place.
Yeah, it's good.
On
To,
Craigslist.
They were really quick.
yeah, it's great to have people bring them to you. That's cool.
Each one was in a different rainbow color.
Oh, that's
One of these. Whatever works.
You must be John.
I'm John.
Hi, John. I'm Burns.
Hi, Burns.
How are you?
Good.
How's the filming going?
Went really good.
Good.
Everybody, let me film. Told them what I was doing. I'm going to try to put something together for NCTV.
Nice.
Yeah, something short. I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. Try to compress it all. What I wanted was kind of like from beginning to end, the chaos of, finding the photographs. And
Right.
something coming together, tied in with some music. Got a couple of short interview things with Stacy. I think it'll be fun. So much of the filming is in the editing. What's it going to look like? Filming is like collage. How you put it together. I owe you $5.
Thank you.
Thanks for putting this on. Do you guys do classes all the time?
We don't. We do a couple of classes a year. Sometimes we've done mostly workshops for artists to help, you know.
Can I
gain
film you
skills.
talking?
What's that?
Can I film you talking? What is it that you guys do? You film?
We've done several workshops about artists learning how to gain skills, marketing skills, learning how to connect with communities, or learning how to write a press release, or do social media, things like that. But we've done quite a few workshops that are maker workshops like this one. So we're branching out and doing a few more this year.
Well, this one looks pretty popular.
It was awesome. It's very popular.
I'm glad you did it.
Okay. Easiest class ever, right?
Except we won't leave. We'll be here all night.
I know.
It's very Sergeant Pepper. It's
Very Sergeant Pepper.
yeah.
I'm gonna glow it some other time. I'm not gonna do it tonight.
City. And there it was in its all its glory. And then something happened. There was a fire, it burned. And there was a mysterious
And you
man on
made
a
all of
horse.
this up just tonight.
And it goes all the way back.
Could you
When
hold it
there
up
was-
just a little bit? So I
There were
can
the
see?
two sisters were in love with the same man.
Oh my God.
And they came and they stayed at the hotel, the motel, and something happened. And then there was this mysterious older gentleman with this dancer.
Love it.
And
This
these
would be
were-
a
these
great
were-
cover to a book.
And these were the owners.
It's like James Elroy or something, you know, like well, he mostly writes about love.
I think you need to write a book based on this collage.
The secret of the Saxony
And
Motel.
fill in all of the missing details. That's great. Very cool.
That's it.
What do you call this?
Madonna. You have to get the full effect.
Oh, nice. That is so cool. And then there's the surprise when you open it. Nice. Very cool colors.
She never got over the goal for personal communion. She liked it so much. And she continued to wear one. What is this? Oh my God, that's great. I love that.
You put a bow on and all. It's great. Yeah.
She was inspired by
By the-
looking at the bow. That's the bow.
Yeah, there were a couple other ones, but none of them.
What is this that you finally have come up with? Out of the chaos, what have you created? More chaos, or what is this? What is this called?
This is au revoir. Someone's leaving behind her ancestors, and
It's really nice. I like all the layers.
thank you, and a kind of woodsy country environment for something. I think this building symbolizes an urban existence, and there's a kind of shadow of her, which just simply came about because the photo was based
She's kind of looking back on
on
herself.
herself, and I really lacked something to put in the corner, so I just used
I like that, how she's like looking at herself. I like that
herself.
effect.
Yeah, and these are just random. These are just words that kind of fragment. Mines are full of fragments. So,
Very nice.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for doing this. It was really fun. This is great.
This is great.
You know what's great about seeing other people's is it inspires you for the next time. Yeah.